Okay, we forgot something here. Here's the dolphin's blowhole, and I'm making a little slit on top of its head where it breathes. And watch what this dolphin, this is a special dolphin. Watch what comes out of its blowhole. It's got a heart coming out of its blowhole. And watch, you can take your fingers and you can even color it in a little bit. See? That's because my fingers, I'm getting some of the gray from here and I'm putting it on the heart. See? There we go. That was what I needed to do to end this video, and the baby has also got a little heart coming out of his blowhole. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to turn that off again.